Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to permanently delete a subtask in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your project board and remove any subtasks that are no longer needed, saving you and your team from confusion or clutter down the road. Let's dive right in. Before anything else, there's one important thing you need to know. To delete a subtask in Jira, you must have the delete issues permission within the project you're working on. If you aren't able to follow along with the steps today, it might be worth double-checking with your project administrator or Jira admin to make sure you have the right permissions. Also remember, deleting a subtask is permanent. Once it's gone, all its information, comments, and history are removed. So just take a quick moment before you go through this process to be sure it's the right move. Maybe check with teammates, or if it's something you'll want back later, consider other options like closing or archiving instead. Now, let's get started with the quickest method to delete a subtask, right from the issue detail view. This is perfect if you're already looking at the subtask you want to remove, maybe after reviewing its details or resolving the parent issue. First, open the subtask itself. In Jira, you'll usually see a list of subtasks displayed beneath the main issue. Go ahead and click on the subtask's summary or its key. That's the unique identifier, like ABC123. And this will bring up the detailed view. Depending on your Jira setup, this might appear as a side panel that slides out, or it could open in a full page. Once you're in the subtask's detail view, move your eyes up to the top right corner. You'll see a button that looks like three little dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, or just the Kebab menu. Click on that to expand your list of actions. Jira tucks away some of the more critical options here for security and to help prevent accidental changes. From the menu that pops up, select Delete. And here's where I want you to slow down and take a breath. Jira throws up a confirmation dialog box at this stage. This is their way of saying, "Are you really sure?" It'll remind you that deleting is permanent and that all related information will be lost. This extra step is there to protect you, and it's a good chance to do a last check. Is this definitely the subtask you want to delete? If you're ready to go ahead, click the delete button in the confirmation dialog. Jira will process the request, and in just a second or two, the subtask will be gone for good. Don't worry if your screen takes a few moments to refresh. Sometimes Jira needs a second to sync, especially in bigger projects. And that's it. You've just deleted a subtask from Jira. It's pretty straightforward once you know where to find the options. But always remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So delete wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. Any questions, or if you want to see a tutorial on a different Jira feature, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future project management tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your Jira boards organized.